Are you thinking about starting your freelancing journey, but don't know whether to choose Fiverr or Upwork? Or maybe you've tried both, but still can't decide which one is better for making real money? Well, today we're diving deep into the pros, cons, and money-making potential of Fiverr versus Upwork so that you can make the right choice. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which platform suits you best. Point 1. How Fiverr and Upwork work, the basics. Before we compare them, let's quickly break down how each platform actually works. Fiverr, a marketplace where freelancers offer gigs, pre-packaged services. Buyers search for services and place orders instantly. Best for one-time projects and quick services like logos, voiceovers, and copywriting. Upwork, clients post jobs and freelancers bid on them. Clients choose freelancers based on proposals, experience, and ratings. Best for long-term projects and high-ticket clients like web development, marketing, and consulting. Think of Fiverr like an online store where buyers browse and pick a service. Meanwhile, Upwork is more like a job board where freelancers apply for projects. Which platform do you think sounds better so far? Fiverr or Upwork? Drop a comment below. Point 2. Earning potential. Which platform makes you more money? Let's talk about what really matters. Money. Which platform can help you make the most? Fiverr earnings. Great for beginners. You can start earning with zero experience. Passive income potential. Once your gig ranks, clients come to you. Fiverr takes a 20% commission per sale. You must wait for clients to find you, which can take time. Example, a Fiverr seller offering simple logo designs at $50 per gig can make $500 to $2,000 per month once they build a reputation. Upwork earnings. Higher rates. Freelancers often charge $50 to $100 per hour for skilled work. Great for long-term contracts, providing consistent income. Tough competition. New freelancers struggle to get hired. Upwork takes a 10 to 20% commission on earnings. Example, a freelance web developer on Upwork working 20 hours a week at $40 per hour can easily make $3,000 per month. So, if you want quick cash and one-time projects, Fiverr might be better. But if you're looking for high-ticket clients and stable income, Upwork is the way to go. What's your freelancing goal? Quick side income or long-term business? Let me know in the comments. Point 3. Competition and ease of getting clients. Both platforms are competitive, but which one makes it easier for beginners? Fiverr's competition. Thousands of sellers in every category. New gigs take time to rank unless you get good reviews fast. Standing out requires unique gig images, SEO, and competitive pricing. Upwork's competition. Bidding system means new freelancers struggle to win jobs. Requires writing strong proposals to convince clients. Clients often prefer freelancers with reviews and experience. If you're a complete beginner with no portfolio, Fiverr is easier to get started. But if you're skilled and good at marketing yourself, Upwork can be more rewarding. Which platform do you think is harder to get clients on? Fiverr or Upwork? Tell me in the comments. Point 4. Which platform is best for which freelancers? Now, let's break it down based on what type of freelancer you are. Best for Fiverr. Logo designers, video editors, writers, social media managers, voiceover artists. Best for Upwork. Web developers, programmers, SEO experts, consultants and coaches, virtual assistants. If your service is quick and repeatable, Fiverr is great. But if you work on long-term projects, Upwork is a better fit. Which category fits your skills best? Fiverr or Upwork? Drop a comment. Point 5. Fiverr versus Upwork. Pros and cons. Alright, let's summarize the biggest pros and cons of both platforms. Fiverr pros. Easy to start. No bidding, clients come to you. Passive income potential. Fiverr cons. High competition. Takes time to rank new gigs. 20% commission fee. Upwork pros. Higher paying clients. Long-term work and stable income. Easier to scale into a full-time business. Upwork cons. Hard to win projects as a beginner. Requires strong proposals. Takes 10 to 20% commission. Now that we've laid out everything, let's answer the final question. Which platform should you choose? Final verdict. Fiverr versus Upwork. Which one wins? It all comes down to your goals. Let's break it down. Choose Fiverr if you want quick one-time projects. You prefer passive income and ranking gigs. You're a beginner and want easy entry into freelancing. Choose Upwork if you want high-ticket clients and long-term work. You have professional skills and experience. You're willing to invest time in writing proposals. So, which one is better? There's no single winner. It depends on you. If you want quick gigs, go Fiverr. If you want high-paying clients, go Upwork. Are you Team Fiverr or Team Upwork? Comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Investosphere, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our money-making tips. Which freelancing platform are you using in 2025? Let's chat in the comments.